Good morning, trading world. It is December 27, 2021, 8:34 a.m. and this is an abbreviated version of my pre-market outlook. The title of today's pre-market outlook, After Christmas, the gift of low volume levitation. So now that we've made it to after Christmas and everybody's looking for the Christmas rally, it seems we will get that gift of low volume levitation or float up, which could equal a Christmas rally. Still in my travels right now, so limited as far as equipment on the laptop, so it's going to be hard to do some of the drawings or things that I usually put up on the chart, but let's see how much we can get done this morning. Giving a quick evaluation for today and the rest of the week. For the week, it seems like we are in store for a bullish connotation for the week. If there is a pullback, it will likely retrace back down somewhere between 468 and 462 if it even happens. But it's seeming possible that we will still close above 470, giving us a pretty much bullish week. So here we go on to the key levels for today. The key levels for resistance, we're going to have the jack resistance at 472. Let me see what I can do about getting that on the chart. All right, we got a Christmas miracle. The drawings were able to work on this computer. It was giving me trouble before. But let's get back into the key levels. We have the jack resistance level at 472. The queen resistance level at 473 and the king resistance level at 474 through 475. Getting into support, the jack support level is at 471, queen support level is at 470, and king support level is 468 through 467. As far as we can see today, if we can get support that holds at the 470 60 level, which is Friday's close, if we can get support to hold there, we're likely in store for a trend up day. That trend up day, I've kind of separated it into two different things, but the rounded reversal is a form of the trend up day. We're looking at possibly coming down and testing that support if we get the trend day, and looking for that bounce up into our midday chop somewhere, and then getting a kind of slight fade back in the close. Now the other variation of that is the rounded reversal, or what I like to call the change day. And on that change day, we will more so be looking at just a straight rocket takeoff and midday chop and then a steeper or almost the same energy that we went up with, we would be coming down with. That's the change day with the blue arrows. But these are the likely scenarios for today, looking more so at the regular trend day outlook, but we can tell more after the bell rings and we can see how everything kind of shapes up when we look at the internals. And if we have internals that are lifted and high and they're fading off of the open and continue to trend down, then it's likely we would get the change or rounded reversal day here on the blue arrows. However, there is a chance that support does not hold and we break support here at 471. And if that happens, we're going to get some variation of a range day, which in all likelihood could be a range day with a bearish bias to it, where we come down and we test resistance somewhere either here at the queen or king level, most likely the queen level, before popping back up and getting back to the highs of the day and reaching new highs of the day. So that's the range day scenario. If we break support at that 471, that's kind of how I see things kind of playing out for today. And again, looking further into the week, it seems as though we're in store for a bullish week. And in order for us to have a bullish week, it just says that if we open up at 470, we just have to close above 470 at the end of the week. A modest amount above 470. So if we close at 471, it's pretty much a successful bull week from that point. So that's what we're looking at. Again, if we do retrace, for right now, unless something changes and we start seeing a little more volume here over the next day or so, which is possible because a lot more people are at home and trading at home, even professionals trading at home and are in front of screens for the holidays. So it is possible. But as far as right now and what I'm seeing, the retracement likely dies out somewhere between 468 and 462, if it even happens this week. But it seems though we're in store for a bullish week. So, as always, know your risk first, profit and target second, and wishing you a successful day of trading. Have a great day.